Hey everybody, Mike Pfeiffer. No, this is not a real update, but everybody is. I don't want to be gloom and doom, uh, but I want to kind of fill everybody in on what Robin and I are doing as far as the coronavirus or COVID-19, whatever they're calling it. Um, it appears to be serious. We don't have a lot of cases in New Mexico, and particularly no cases in our area, with the exception of El Paso. I think there's a couple, but nevertheless, we feel relatively lucky about that. And I'm here to wish all of you the best, wherever you are. And I know people are having a lot of financial troubles, and I just wish I had the means of being able to do something for folks. Uh, um, I feel bad for the folks who can't make a living right now, but we got to do what we got to do to try and rid this country and the rest of the world, for that matter, over this virus. So help everybody get through it. Um, so that being said, we were to have an open house at our club this coming Saturday, and we were going to have a work day tomorrow, and against my really wants, not against my wants, but I realize it needs to be done. But we canceled all of our work sessions for now. We canceled our open house, and as far as I'm concerned, I've canceled all the work days and any run days until further notice. It's not affecting us out there. Anyone can go out and run a train. I just think we need to practice this social distancing. So that's what I am recommending. I am sure that there may be people that go out there. There may be people that decide to go out there and continue it. But I haven't heard back because I just sent the email out. However, that's what we're doing as far as the club. Robin and I are only going out when absolutely necessary. We didn't go out and, buy 200,000 rolls of toilet paper and 200,000 rolls of paper towels and stuff. We seem to have a pretty ample supply right now of those things. We're just going to hunker down here. I mean, we're here most of the time anyway. Really, with the business out of the house, you're here most of the time anyway. So that's what we're going to continue to do. Between Robin and I, the three cats and the dog, we know where we've all been. So we're just trying to be careful. But really, this video is not really about that. I mean, we have, fortunately, those of us in the model railroads and anything else that you might be doing. I mean, we have hobbies, so we do a lot of other things. So we have things to do, I would believe. I certainly have a lot of things I could do around the house here, on the Bronco, in the train room here. And I'm not going to show you what I've got done. I've got a couple of things done over here. I just found out some interesting facts about some LEDs I bought from China to equip automobiles. I won't go into that right now, but I'm going to plan on putting more lights and more automobiles to be able to put out here on the layout and finish the road over there. That's just a kind of a peek forward. I didn't dress up for the occasion, obviously, today. But what I am going to tell you is we did have some folks over the other day for a dessert party that we had already planned. And all the people that came were guys from the club, and none of them have, I know for a fact that none of them have been away from Las Cruces. So we all felt pretty safe in doing that. So anyway, we all had a good time. But what I'm leading to is, because I was going to have people here looking at the layout, I had to clean up the layout room. So if I step aside here a little bit, you can see down there that I've got all my skirting down. The layout's all cleaned off. All my tools are put away. It almost looks presentable in here. So I think for today, I'm going to kind of leave it at that. I'm going to show you something here that I thought was pretty interesting. As I said, one would think that the whole world before this virus operated on money. Well, it would appear that it works on toilet paper, and now we know where it's all going. Somebody just sent me that today on the computer, and I thought that was pretty funny. It's going to be even funnier because my buddy Mike Canizaro has had boxers and raised boxers, and I'm going to forward that to him here in a couple of minutes. But nevertheless, I'm going to show you just a quick picture. I'll just show you a quick picture before I go of the Bronco and the progress I've made there. I've been goofing with that. And I hope all of you have something to do and they're not cooped up in a 700 square foot New York apartment. But I know there's some of you out there that are. And I like I say, I'm wishing everybody the best. Hope you can make it through this the best you can. I would recommend trying to turn to your hobby, communicating back and forth with other folks that you know in the hobby by computer. Maybe even start Skyping with some guys or something that you never even dreamed that you could. So anything to keep your mind off being cooped up. So that being said, I guess I'm going to be out of here for today, and I'm going to throw in at the end of this the picture of the Bronco. Thank you guys, and be safe, and as always, thanks for watching, and please stay healthy. Okay, everybody, the weather's kind of crappy today. You can see that I've got the plastic pulled off the front bumper. I'm going to try and take it off and straighten it up. I have the wheels painted, got the striping, the replacement striping all on the side, have buffed most of the car. I painted most of the black parts on the car. The only thing I have is the windshield frame yet. Buffed the roof, did the roof rack, replaced the headliner. You can't see it in there very well. Replaced the headliner. Cleaned up the entire inside is done. Let me take you around back. Painted the tire carrier. What you see is kind of what you get, really. It's not completely polished and not completely clean, but anyway, that's the progress on the Bronco so far. Don't want to bore you train guys with that stuff, but it's looking pretty good. There's its beauty mark. It's going to stay there. So that's it for now, and like I say, be safe and be healthy.